We have a 2005 Komatsu forklift. The model is an FG25ST-14. It has a 5,000 pound base lifting capacity. It runs on propane fuel and has the popular Nissan K21L engine. Same engine found in newer Nissan forklifts, as well as Caterpillar, Mitsubishi, and many other brands. Has brand new cushion tires, good for use on solid surfaces, either indoors or outdoors. The mast is a 3-stage mast. It'll lift to a maximum height of 188 inches. That's just over 15.5 feet and is good for high lifting applications. It has 42-inch long standard forks. It has tilt function forward and back. It also has side shift function to move the fork carriage side to side. This Komatsu forklift's been serviced by our dealership and is ready to work.